Hi, this is Archie and welcome to your ProBox Customer Portal Guide. In this section, I will give you a dashboard overview and show you how to navigate. Your dashboard will give you a bird's eye view of your logistics operations. Here you will find sections for your active quotations, invoices, active shipments, breakdown of active shipments. On the right hand side is your chat option. The messages you send here will go directly to our team and you will get a response within 24 hours. On the left hand side are your navigation buttons. For shipments, here is where you can view and manage all your shipments, track their status, and check updates. Invoices, this is where you can view all your invoices and download copies for your records if you need to. Quotations, here is where you request for new quotations or view past ones that you submitted. Customer party, here's where you manage your customer informations and contacts. Items and SKUs. Here is where you store and manage your product codes or SKUs for easier shipment processing. And reports. Generate detailed reports here for shipments, invoices, or other activities. On the lower left corner, you will see your profile name and brand. Clicking on the down arrow beside your name will give you options. My account and profiles. Under my account, you'll be able to update your profile or reset your password, add users for team access, and access to help and support. Under profiles, it will allow you to switch brands, but only if you manage multiple brands under one email. It's important to note that each code or shipment belongs to a specific brand. Now you understand the layout and what each section does. In the next section, I'll show you how to set up your foundational data, your customer parties, and product information, which will make creating codes much faster. Thank you for watching.